Welcome to the video on how to import i3s data from a private scene layer service on ArcGIS Online. Accessing private ArcGIS services in the Tygron platform requires signing in with your ArcGIS account. To sign in, select the Community tab in the ribbon bar and click on the Sign in with ArcGIS link to open the login panel. Once the panel has opened, we select the default login option and click on Continue to Login. The panel will redirect to the ArcGIS login page. Fill in your login credentials and click on the Sign In button. Once signed in, the Tygron Platform client application will store the login token. Now we can import 3D models from a private scene layer service. Select the current tab in the ribbon bar and click on the Geo Import button in the ribbon bar. Once the wizard has initialized, click Next to begin. In this example, we will import a 3D model for a new building. We select the Buildings option and click Next. In this step, we select the Search for Services in a Catalog Service option and click Next. In this step, we can select available catalog services or add new ones. We select the ArcGIS Online Catalog service and click Next. In the Search Catalog step, click on the Search button to search for services related to this project area. Unfold the My ESRI Organization section and select the scene service named RAC Basic Sample Project. Now click Next. The features are now obtained from the service. We can leave the defaults as they are. Once the process is complete, verify that features have been obtained successfully and click on the Next button. In this step, we can see how many polygon features were obtained. Click Next to continue. We want to import all features, so no filtering is required, so we select Next. This step is always important when importing 3D models for buildings. We will have to decide whether we want to create new buildings for the imported features, or whether we only want to update existing buildings with a 3D model, or perhaps both. Since we are importing a model for a new building that does not yet exist in other geodata, we select the first option and click Next. Since we selected the option to create new buildings, we will have to define what type of buildings will be created and what their naming should be based on. For the name step, we select the default option and click Next. In this step, we have not yet decided on a particular function for the created buildings, since we are currently interested in the visualization of our model only. We keep the One Function option selected, keep the default function as it is, and click Next. In this step, we also use the default settings for the owner of the created building and click Next. In this step, we can finalize the import process by clicking on the Finish button. The features will be imported as new buildings and custom geometries will be added and linked to the created buildings. These custom geometries represent the alternative visualization of the building based on the models defined in the Scene Layer package. Images are also imported automatically when parts of these models are textured. Once completed, the wizard will close and we can move the camera to the location of the imported buildings. You have now learned how to import features and 3D models from a private i3s service into the Tygron platform using the Geo Import wizard. Please note that public scene layer services can be accessed without logging in with an ArcGIS account.